pretty cute over here. I mean, we're in Honfleur. It's totally a tourist destination, but I mean, how can it not be? It's so cute, and it's like you go back to the medieval times. People everywhere enjoying a drink or some French food on the terrace, and it's pretty awesome. It's a nice little stop through the day. But look how cute it is here. I like it. Must have been quite an important place back in the day. The problem here in France is if you go and do this for a little trip, which is too much cool stuff. I mean, you could spend a couple hours here just relaxing and strolling around, some food and drinks. There's just too much other cool stuff to do.
I think there's a lot more to this little town than we just saw.
Well, we're gonna follow the river now, right? But in a way, we're going upriver. Okay, I'm coming. We're going up the Seine River. Few places on the way. Next particular main destination, if you can call it that, is a place called Lillebonne. Is that what it's called? Lillebonne? Something similar to that. And it's a old Gallo-Roman settlement, meaning it's, you know, the Romans, our friends, the Romans, you know, Julius Caesar, and what became of their cohesion with the Gauls and their settlement. So that's where we're heading to now. Then after that, we're going to go out to a monastery that was destroyed by Ragnar Lothbrok, and the Vikings.
That's more my style.
That's more your style, yeah. Okay, and then
I find the Vikings more interesting than the Romans.
Do you really?
So yeah. Yeah, I do.
What did the Vikings ever do for us? I don't know.
It doesn't matter. Just, I find it interesting.
So what have the Vikings ever done for us? Well, they didn't do what the Romans did. No, you just like Ragnar Lothbrok.
Oh my god. Look at this. I did not expect this in Normandy, to be honest. I don't know what I expected, but not this. There's this huge industrial area here. And all these little townships here, they look super run down. They do. I'm afraid that we're gonna have to take a ferry that's not here.
We have to take the ferry across the other side of the river?
Yeah,
There are people here.
but I don't see boats anywhere.
Huh.
Yeah, but so according to the thing here, we like cross very straight. So to there. But there would be a boat here or there then, right? Just having lunch.
You would, I mean, I would expect if it doesn't go, they'd put a sign that said this does not operate anymore. We can't even get to this point. But there's a camera here, like a.
What about this idea? Why don't we do it the other way around? We go to the point that we had as a second destination first. And then on our way back to the campsite, we stop in the place that we had as point A,
Yeah,
the
but,
Roman
I mean,
place.
either way, you've got to cross the river somewhere.
Yeah, but if we go to the other place first, it tells us to go along here and over a bridge.
Yeah, well, there's either one bridge that way or one bridge that
Well,
way.
that bridge that way is a lot closer, and then you're almost at point B.
Ah, okay.
So it makes more sense to do that direction.
Gotcha.
Should we just do that?
Yeah, we might as well. I mean,
There's
there's
no
a
boat anywhere.
There's no boat. There's no information to say that it doesn't work, that it's not operating anymore. But if there's no boat, that's a pretty good sign that it's not operating anymore.
It's not going.
Yeah.
Okay, it's not going. The French guy just pulled over. Thanks, man.
Thanks, dude. You saved us.
Well, I was just saying, I think because this is put here, I think it's gonna go. Alright.
I mean, that would have been cool. I mean, what a cool... I mean, we do that at home anyways to get the poncha. But motherfuckers, at least have a sign saying it doesn't go anymore.
Well, I think that little red line that was put in front of it sort of supposed to make that clear.
Bastards.
I was looking forward to a little poncha ride.
At least for our motorbikes, it looked like those cyclists were waiting for the same thing that didn't come.
So how far to the next stop then? Point B now.
49 minutes.
49 minutes, Jesus.
Yeah.
All right, oh well.
They're sending us quite far away. It does have this medieval vibes going on. And we have a cool bridge. The Seine. Quite interesting. I mean, it sort of makes sense that all these places are around this big river, the Seine, because it's very, yeah, you would want to build it next to accessible, right? Easy to transport stuff.
Exactly. I mean, look all around here. It's all medium and heavy industry, all stretched along the river.
Yeah, it's just you plonk it on the boat, then along it goes, basically.
Yeah. You go either out to sea or you go up into Paris.
Yeah, so it's actually really good area for that. I'm amazed by how high these bridges are. It's so high.
They're really cool bridges.
Yeah, it's really impressive.
Yeah.
Okay, look, we're now over the bridge. We're getting closer to a township that we can choose. Do we slowly start and make our way back towards the campsite? Or
No.
are we still going to go
go-
visit the Viking place?
Go there. Visit the Viking place.
Okay, then we have to pull over and I have to reprogram it again.
There's a sign already. Suive Yvot. Yeah, to the right. You can see the signs already. You don't need the GPS for that. Oh, hang on. No. Lilybot's the... Lily whatever, Rome, is the Roman site.
If we want to go to the Abbey, we need to go to Jumièges.
Have you noticed, see, for the emblem or the shield or the logo of this department we're in? It's a Viking boat. Yeah. Because of the connection with the Vikings. Because this abbey here that we're going to, Jumièges or whatever it's called, this was when the Vikings sailed up the river Seine for the first time. They came here and they sacked it. They burnt it. They got them.
Oh,
So this is the first, point of contact, I think. Maybe I'm wrong with the first, but this is, anyway, Ragnar was here, the Vikings were here, and they burnt down this place.
they burned down the place.
Yeah, they burnt down the place. They came here and they ransacked the place. Jumièges.
Here.
Abbey Jumièges. Oh, we need to get a park. Go to there. Right.
Well, can we not put it on the stoop?
Sure we can.
Let's do that.
Okay.
Big ass fits through.
Yeah, you put your big ass through there.
Where is the appropriate
Turn
place?
to the right. Just up here.
Sharp right.
Route Guillaume the Conquerant.
Wow,
Oh, look at that
bridges.
information.
The dude wouldn't mind. He's here on his own bike.
Yeah.
Oh.
Hoopa.
Okay, let's check out this abbey.
I think you got to pay to go into the abbey. Looks pretty cool though. What does this say?
William, the Duke of Normandy, set his stamp on history of the Duchy of Normandy and the King of England. The destinies became closely entwined. Symbolic date of 1066 marks the subjection of England by William. Let's say that again. The symbolic date of 1066 marks the subjection of England by William the Conqueror and his barons. By winning the Battle of Hastings, William became King of England. He and his successors put down firm roots into English soil, reinforcing cultural, economic, and political links between the Normans and the Anglo-Saxons. Normans, i.e. the Vikings. In memory of this giant of our two histories, William the Conqueror, the William of Conquer Trails invites you to step back in time, discover those places which were the settings for the main episodes of William's life. Hey, that's fucking cool. How does this work? Yeah, but how do you know? Where's the information about it? Huh. On the 1st of July 1067, so 1 year after the Battle of Hastings, William the Conqueror, Duke of Normandy, and the King of England, since Christmas of the previous year, 6 months before, led his courtiers into the Abbey Church of Notre Dame de Jumièges here. The now ready after 20 years of work, i.e., has been rebuilt. The presence of William, fresh from his conquests of England, reaffirmed the connection of Anglo-Norman establishment with the great Abbey of Val de Seine. Well, there you go. I guess you missed all of that. One thing I really like about these ruins in France, be that the Roman ruins and ruins through time, they really keep them clean, huh? It really looks clean, don't you think? It looks scrubbed up, and like the Roman ruins down in the Roman arena in Nîmes, it's spotless, it's immaculate. The Roman ruins of Italy are just dirty and messy.
They've really cleaned everything up. This is where William the Conqueror came to after the year after the conquest of England. Conquered England in 1067. In July 1067, he came back here to this abbey as King of England and the Duke of Normandy. So this was the first, procession that he had as the King of England in France. So I wonder what William the Conqueror said when he came here. 6 months after he became the King of England. Do you think he came back and said, I have conquered? Do you think he gave himself that name? Or do you think it was given to him? Like, I went there and conquered, or did his friend go, yeah, man, you conquered them? He said, yeah, man, I did conquer them. What do you think would have gone down here when he came back? Well, it must have been known enough for them to come here. Is this on the Vikings, on the miniseries? Did they come to this place? Was it in the historical context of the film, of the miniseries?
I don't know.
So they did sail up the river, which is just over there.
Yeah. Really?
I don't know either. I don't know.
I know about this place when we watched that series, so I don't know.
No, that's right. I mean, if it was on the TV, we would have known. We're TV historians.
Shall we?
We shall. Let's go.
On you go.
On you go. Let's go, Rekner. No, you're Shield Maiden. Let's go, Shield Maiden.
Look at him.
No, just like William the Conquer Chiller. After he conquered, he just chilled. Well, that place was really fun. Really enjoyed that. It was really simple, but the way they did it with the you could sit down wherever you wanted to. There were seats there, so you could sit down amongst the ruins. It's brilliant. You sit there and just do nothing. Huh. This place is so cute. Well, that place is awesome. So I really like that. Jumièges.
Pull me into your delirium. Let me drown in the nectar of your hands. Every ache is rippling wider. Every breathless second is mine to give. I bloom open under your gravity and collapse into your night.
Some pretty impressive buildings right next to some really shitty buildings. Yeah, now that's an amazing building, and then this pile of rubble. You can get up there. No camper vans. Steep as. Ah, excellent. Okay.
Yeah, there we go. Oh, that's fucking dangerous. Crazy. Oh, can you come and help me out, please?
Okay, a little bit further, a little bit further, a little bit further. Okay, and stop and go forward. Backwards a little bit. And stop. Okay, forward. There you go. Now bring it in. Slowly, 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 slowly. Okay, now go forward a bit. You're getting too close. Yep. Yep, there we go. That's better. Yep, just bring it straight back. Roast.
Cheers.
Cheers. You're not supposed to drink this big beer this good from the bottle.
Oh well.
Desperate times.
We're in a campsite.
Oh, fuck, that's good beer.
I think echt niet.
Oh, love it. Digging it? Very creative of you.
Spannend. Raining
Well,
like a French dog and a French cat.
why is it spannend? Exactly.
It's
Well, what's spannend about this?
exciting.
That's not.
Come on, don't be spoil sport.
Not so exciting.
What is the
We're
word
forced to sleep in a tent that's like this. So just for the record, we're sliding down slowly like this and like this. Till we disappear on the corner of the tent.
then? Stop exaggerating.
It's not. I feel it already. I can't even stay on my mat.
I had this alright to deal with last night.
It's not a difference there.
Yeah, it is.
No, it's not.
Totally different.
The tent's way too small. We need a bigger tent.
Always complaining.
No, it's too small.
Look at the.
Oh, you're too big.
Listen to it. It's fun sleeping in a tent like that.